All right, I'm going to play a portion of a song, a jazz song. I'm going to play it 3 times using the Lab 12 DAC1 reference as the DAC in the Yamaha AS1100 integrated amplifier, one of my favorites. I'm going to leave everything exactly the same. I'm leaving the equipment on, everything the same, the level, everything. My mic will remain on the entire time. Everything will be exactly the same, except for that doggone air conditioner or heater behind me. I can't control that. I'm only going to substitute RCAs. There's only one RCA that runs from the back of the Lab 12 DAC1 reference over to the Yamaha. I'm going to substitute between these Amazon.com Chinese, I love them, $60 a pair RCAs that are about as thick as speaker wire. And I'll go to a working pair. I have at least one working pair of these Audio Quest Golden Gates. And then I'm going to go to these $1.75 Radio Shack RCAs that I bought probably 30 years ago, maybe. I think I bought these when I was a kid. All right. I'm not going to tell you which is which. I'm going to play you about a minute of each song. And, yeah, I want you to tell me which is which. I want you to tell me which song, which sample A, B, or C, is the allegedly worst cable, based on your biases and based on the cost, and allegedly which is the best cable based on brand recognition and cost, and which is the intermediate cable based on cost and it's a no-name brand. See if you can pick it out. Let's see if you can do it. I'm going to stop and switch things up. I am not starting with the cables you just saw. I'm switching things up. See if you can pick which is which based on a simple RCA cable substitution. Start over again. Went a little long with that one because that second one I actually really liked. Maybe it's psychological, but there was something about that second one that it's weird. There was something musical. That was weird. Yeah, that second one. Okay, cable number 3. Okay. I wasn't expecting this video to go this long. I don't know whether it's psychological, whether I'm just getting acclimated to the song, but number 3, the third cable here, I liked, but in a different way than number 2. Number 2 and number 3 were my favorites. Now I've got to go back and hear number 2 again. I've got to hear it again, because I'm having a hard time believing I can hear a difference. And, I've never done this before. First time ever. All right. This is the first time I've ever compared cables back to back. And I've got to believe this is psychological, but if this is psychological, it keeps escalating, getting better and better, it's due to some sort of acclimation. This is going to be very telling. So I'm back to number 2. It got better and better each time. 1 being the worst, then I like number 2 better, then I like number 3 even better. I'm going back to number 2 right now, just to see. Here's the weird thing. Oh, God, this is very strange. I'll give you my conclusions. You draw your own. And this is what I was thinking, and I confirmed it. Cable number 2, and I'm not a believer in this stuff, but it really seems to have manifested itself here. I can't explain it. Cable number 2, and listen to the data, seems to have better bass resolution. Number 3 seems to have better treble, upper treble clarity and precision, and upper treble resolution and accuracy. If I had to pick one myself, I would go with number 3. I'm not going to tell you what they are right now. You decide. On your own. I'll make a vid tomorrow and tell you which cable is which. You tell me what you like. I've also got the final video of solid state versus vacuum tubes in the can, and there's a wild card in the mix. Stereo Police.